Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight. Technology is done right. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix an error that pops out when you're trying to uninstall Epic Games Launcher. Okay, so it's a very easy fix and let's get straight into it. Okay, so I'm using Windows 11, but you can also use Windows 10 for this process. Okay, so if you're trying to uninstall it and you have that error, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on this start button to get into Task Manager, or if you're on Windows 10, you're going to right click on a normal just an empty space on your taskbar. You'll have the Task Manager option, or on your keyboard you can just click Control Shift and Escape. Just hold that three buttons and Task Manager will pop up. So you can see here, if you've already closed Epic Games Launcher, it's still open in Task Manager. So what you're going to do is you're going to just click on it and click on End Task. So now you can go back to Control Panel. You can go back to uninstalling the app. Epic Games. Just click on uninstall, and the Epic Games Launcher will uninstall pretty easily without popping off any errors. So that's about it for this tutorial guys. If you have any other problems or any other questions, please put them down in the comments below. And I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe. And I'm out.